Alright guys, today we're going to be working on our Guardian generic backup generator. We're going to be doing the maintenance to it. I wiped it down not too long ago, cleaned it off. What you want to do, I've watched a couple of videos online. You unlock it, of course. Make sure it's off. I took the fuse off just to make sure. Take the cover off. Take the front cover off, which I'm guessing is just these two screws. I got my handy dandy box here. Should have everything in here down there. We'll see. Look how organized I am. Are you surprised it takes me so long to get something? I mean, look how organized I am. What is that? It takes me forever to find a single one. There. Don't need you. What do I do with my music? Oh, I can't have music on anyway. Sorry. Let's just continue. Oh, the gas line's been disconnected. This has been disconnected, so I got everything off. I forgot to get some napkins, 'cause I'm pretty sure I'm gonna spill some, so let me go get some rags and some gloves. Try to get a little bit clean. I'll put this up right here. I'll get some napkins. I'll be back. Done. Just leave it alone. That doesn't seem like it's gonna reach. Something like that. Alright. I know they say you're supposed to run it so it can get the oil moving, but it's just what a mess I'm doing, bro. It's coming out. my God. Lee. Why is this freaking hose turned like this? Alright, I have to cut this shit up. Oh my God. Look at this bitch. Why? There it goes. Do they? Oh my God. You would not miss that fucking chicken if he was eating. Oh my God, how many spins is this? And then nothing came out. Chickens. This ain't gonna be the size. You really have to take the shield off to get to that thing? Sure looks like it. No, you don't. No, you don't. Get over there. Where the fuck is the plier? One was easy. And that box that I ordered from Generac or whatever the hell this thing is already comes with a filter. It comes with 2 spark plugs. Looks clean. Looks clean. Now let's try to get the one in the back. That one I'm sure will need an extension without a doubt. And I don't see an extension in here. Oh, everything. Never have it. Never have it. Milwaukee. Hardly ever use this one. He'll still keep on going. Hope I don't need more than one extension. And there it is. No, that's the starter. Is that? Yeah, it's a starter. Where the heck is that thing? It's supposed to be 2 spark plugs. Good luck finding it, buddy. Probably just end up replacing one, honestly, because I can't even find the motherfucker. Where's the other one, guys? Help me out here. Help me out here. Let me look at my flashlight. Wow, where is it? There's like no room back here. Oh, here it is. Is that it? Yep, right here, got right here behind this generic what is this, exhaust cover maybe, but you holy moly have no room back there. Let's see here. You almost need like a wobble thing. You know, the extensions that wobbles, because you're going to need it to turn. Or, let's see. I mean, this. There we go. Oh, of course, it doesn't have enough power. I don't think I loosened them up. I think it just came off. Oh, wait, it did. Guys, it worked. I think we just might have done something, guys. I didn't think it was going to be strong enough. There she is. Now this one looks more smoked out than the other one. They're both. He put NGKs. I bought the Champions that come in a box. But yeah, the black one is more corroded. Alright, well, we'll take it out. This is what comes in the box. The filter, 2 spark plugs. Why is this oil filter raised up? I don't know. Doesn't look like it's sealed proper. I'm gonna get a little tad bit to put around here. Why? I don't know. Just lubricates the gasket. It's what everybody says. Let me clean that off. Napkin. Should use the rag, but it's being used right now. Guess you want to clean this off good. Go back to original. Not too tight. I like to have the letters up. Dang it, bro. Where am I starting with the letters? Gotta keep track of where I'm starting. Okay. I want to start with like this. Okay. No! Alright, let's see if we can get this bent right there. Good. Looks good. That's just crazy things that I have to do, or otherwise it would bother me. It's gonna bother me if I don't have it facing the right way. And keep this puppy clean. As you can see, I do a heck of a job cleaning. Just kidding, guys. Sarcasm. I never clean this out. What is this part? Who knows? You just hide it back in there. The customer's not gonna like it. Just kidding. The homeowner's not gonna like it. But I'm the homeowner. No. Good. Throw your trash in that box. Oh, whatever. Put everything on top of it. And you probably should be putting on your spark plugs so nothing can get in there. So let's do that. Use your teeth like cavemen. I don't even have any anesthesia, so don't ask me. Just going in and brawl. Going in and brawl, guys. Maybe get your socket so it can go a little bit faster. She in there. She in there. Dang it, dang it, dang it. So it's right behind here, guys. If you were looking for the other spark plug, right behind this thing. It's got just enough room. And like all mechanics tell you, just go back with it until you hear it click. Hear it click and then we can go forward. And just take your time with it. Alright, I think that's good. Now, I'd rather do this by hand than the electric, just because I want to be able to feel it. Alright, are you gonna do it the wrong way or something? Man. What am I doing wrong? I guess let me try this. Guess it didn't need a whole lot. I was almost there. Just knock it up a little bit. There. Once you're finished with it, grab your boot. It's not going to line up. There, you hear a click. Then you grab your other boot that you put away. Oh, just tighten it up a little bit. Good. Good, good, good. Grab your filter. Comes with some funnels. Which you can use. Is it almost done? looks that way. Still has some. Sure, it's gonna be dripping. Notice. Oh. Let's just act like we didn't see that. Mother fudgers. Just put this thing connection back on here. Should be good. Clean off your area. And I forgot to change. We gotta change the filter too, guys. Did I ever get the oil? There's no way. I forgot the oil. Wow, y'all not gonna believe this one. Oh my God, dog. Forgot the oil, man. Bro, I forgot the oil. Did I forget the oil? There's gotta be somewhere. Bro, just there. Stop. I gotta go check the car because I'm pretty sure I thought I got it and then fucking around, I forgot it. Bro, make sure if y'all gonna do oil change on something that you get the oil. It's common sense. What? How? Why does it keep going past? There. It's just gonna have to be there. Well, let's change the air filter for now, and we'll have to go see if we actually brought the oil. Bought the oil. I'm pretty sure I did, but let me go check on the car, because that'd be a big oopsies. So yeah, if you ever change the oil as good as you think you are, huh? Okay, what am I doing around here? Oh, nothing. It's just been on there for so long. Let's check it out. I mean, it really. This is the old one, made in India. Check out the new one. They look almost alike. Oh, I thought it dropped in there. Still made in India. This says CH4. It says CH2, CB2. CH4, CB2. LCB8127. It's the part number. Wipe that off a little bit. And then just put that back on here. What for? I don't know. Pick up the fuse. It uses blue. Blow trash everywhere. That looks so corroded. Just sit it in there. It sits in there just fine. That's how you know. Make sure the letters are pointing the right way. Alright. Come on, buddy. I still gotta go check to make sure I bought the right oil. Just make sure I bought the oil. Because I know I went to the parts store. Just wiggly in place. Oops. Don't tighten it too much. It's just going metal into plastic. Sideways, Joe. Okay. We'll just put our tag on there and go check to see if we actually dealer. Yeah, I'll tell you who the dealer was. So give you some napkins in case you want to check it. I'm gonna put these napkins over here. In case you want to check it later. Alright, let's go check because that's an old bottle. 1030. I think I bought some. Let's go see. We'll be back. Alright, so I did have oil. Now I just added some. I thought it was a bit less than a quart. Let me see. And you want 10W30 for this one. About 2 quarts, 1.9 is what they say. gonna be checking it just to make sure I don't overfill it. Damn it. Alright, let's check it. Let's push it in. We check it. And then we check it again. Rooster's back at it again. That looks perfect right there. Maybe just a tad bit. Looks like it's almost at the fill line. I'm just going to add a tad bit. Check one more time. Because you still need oil to go to the filter. See, but it's right before the top line, top hole. So it's in between, but I'm just going to add some just to make sure. When it makes it down to the filter, should be good. There, that should be good. We'll check it in a little bit. I was like, there is no way I forgot the oil for an oil change. How did you do that? Who does that? You're gonna get abolished, eliminated on the internet. Okay, we'll check it, but it's practically right there where it's supposed to be. God, this oil filter. Why did they put it level? Why? Does anybody have a level thing? Because no matter how much I mess with it. And then I'm just gonna get some we'll let it settle a little bit and then we'll check it. Yeah, that looks good. That looks perfect. Perfect, guys, perfect. Get in the hole. Get it in the hole. Okay. What am I forgetting? That's closed off. Yep. Put this back in there so it doesn't move around. We'll start it up. Oh, gotta plug that back up. Such a mess. Start this back up. It could be sitting a little bit better in there. Maybe I should clean underneath it. Where's this rag at? Let me just clean underneath the battery. Filter's been changed, oil's been changed. Time to run this puppy. Put the fuse back in there. I had these lights on. Turn the gas on, turn this on. Gas. I gotta make sure it's not leaking. Okay. What do we do here? I'm trying to manual. Okay. What am I forgetting here, guys? What am I forgetting here? Let me just check my fuses inside the houses. Try to see what the heck I'm forgetting. I'll be right back. Looks like I got everything. Hold on. Okay, guys, so checked inside. Everything looks good. The gas line's on. I'll go check the tank, but I'm sure I have gas in the tank. I got 5 flashing LEDs. Exercise not set. What does that mean? Shit, we got an oil leak. Okay. And now, panic sets in. Panic sets in. What happened here? Panic sets in. What happened here, guys? What happened here? I went with the... Panic sets in. What the heck, bro? You go with genuine parts, and it turns out they're gonna be leaking. Well, what can we learn from here? Look, it doesn't look like it needs to be sealed. Doesn't look to be a sealing. God dang it, bro. Fuck. Why is it leaking on the filter? Is it going to seal? It doesn't look like it. By the time I'm done with this, it's gonna leak from the bottom. Oh my gosh, bro. This is what happens when you try to go with genuine shit. Fucking motherfucking shit. Was there something else that I had to take off? Is that a... Oh, it has 2 rubber pieces, bro. What the hell? It didn't... It looks like it was just too much. Well, just remember to take off. That might have been my mistake. My gosh. I think that one was supposed to come off with the other one. Dang it, bro. Dang it. What the hell? That's not even the fixing. Oh. That's... And if not, have to research it. The fuse blow? I don't think so. It looks good. Plus it's lighting up all the lights. I'm just gonna put this top back on. Research, what's my next step? I feel like there might just be air in the lines. Sounded like it wanted to kick on. Oh, what is that? What is that? It was on and then it kicked off. Did y'all hear that? Try it again, baby. Try it again. We're gonna keep trying. What's that, guys? It's kicking on, kicking off. Is there air in the tanks? It's kicking on, kicking off. Okay, some sensor. Some sensors not getting gas. Isn't it? When I cut this off, did that hurt something? Let me research it. I'll put all this stuff away. I wonder if it's not gapped appropriate. Spark plug. Don't want to. Doesn't want to. doing that. It wants to start. 9, 10. Come on. What do you guys think? Cut it off and figure out what's the bigger deal. Something's not letting it start. Something's not letting it. Yeah. I have to try to figure out something. I don't know. I've seen that some of these some people are having issues with this. I was hoping it wasn't going to be me. Let me check for gas leaks also. Just spray something back there. You can't keep it running long enough to. Are we good? I don't know what I did! I have no idea. Guys, I seriously don't know what I did. Is there a sensor with the top, with that door? That's all I put back on there. like a sensor on here with, I mean, the only thing that I put back was this door. Y'all saw it. Y'all watched it. Only thing I put back was the door, and it turned on. So I seriously don't know what it was. I couldn't tell you how to fix it because I don't know what I did. I was already going to put everything away. Going to yeah. The oil looks perfect. Going to go put everything away and research what the heck. This is my next step. But now these lights are still flashing, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It says here, to verify that the auto manual switch is set to auto position, press and hold the set button switch for several seconds, then release. All red lights will flash for approximately 10 seconds. The generator will start and run for approximately 12 minutes and then shut off. It's now set to run at this time. Okay, now it's supposed to run for 10 to 12 minutes. And then... Yeah! We're back in business, baby. Back in business. That's it, guys. It's good. I don't know what the heck I did other than put the top back on, and it worked. I saw that issue online also, where people would get the generator to kick on, and then it would shut off. But I didn't really search what was the cause of it. But all I did was put the top on. Everything's good. So now I set it to turn on every day. Saturday around 12:20, 12:24. Hey, that works for me. Alright guys, peace out. That's all I got for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Before I forget, I've never seen blue oil. Has anybody else seen blue oil?
You said what?
I'm making a video. Never seen blue. I guess that's a Valvoline synthetic racing type. I don't know if they still do, but this bottle's blue. Alright, that's it. That's all I had.